Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add Facebook leads to Salesforce and send Slack notification. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then that lead would be added into the Salesforce automatically and a notification on Slack would be also sent. For that, I am simply going to create a connection between my trigger and action applications. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action applications are Salesforce and Slack. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I am going to show you how we can send Slack notification automatically whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads and that particular lead is added to our Salesforce. And for that, I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of the software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab, sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application, and if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this, and here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook leads. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook leads. Again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as add Facebook leads to Salesforce and send Slack notification. And as you can see over here, I have selected a folder named as Facebook lead which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And now we have to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this. And here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads and then select your account. And here we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to select a page and it says please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions and then reconnect your account. So I have named my Facebook page as Regal Radiance. Let's search for Regal Radiance. Let's select this. So as I have selected a Facebook page, now we have to select a lead gen form and it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this and I have named my lead gen form as lead gen form. As you can see over here, there is an important note. Please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking the save and send test request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on save and send test request. And now it says waiting for webhook response. And there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do the test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that, we are going to search for Meta for Developers. And after searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. Let's click on this. And this is Meta for Developers page. Now click on More and then go to Tools. After that, scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads R2 Debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now to do a test submission, we have to select a page and the form name. So let's click on this. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. But as of now, I do not have any lead. So let's click on preview form. So this is the form which I have created. I'm simply going to enter all the dummy details over here. After that, click on next and then submit. And it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our response. First name is Smart, last name is user, email address is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be Salesforce. Let's click on this. And here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this and here you will find various action events. So I'm simply going to select create lead and it says creates a new lead to your account. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. Now to connect our Salesforce account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Salesforce and then allow all the authentications. We have successfully connected our Salesforce account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to enter all these details over here. Last name, first name, title, company, phone. And for that, I'm going to use a method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous step. And whatever the details we are mapping will get replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. So I'm simply going to map all these details over here. Let's click on this and go to Facebook lead ads. And the last name is user. The first name is Smart. Now we have to enter the company name which is required. So let's say our company name is Pabbly and we have the phone number. Email address is this. Website description, street, city, country is not required, so I'm leaving it empty over here. But if you want to fill all of these details, so you can do that simply. After that, click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here, we have received a positive response, success. Now let's go back to our Salesforce account and check whether we have added our lead or not. And as you can see, we have successfully added a new lead named as Smart User over here with the company name as Pabbly and the phone number which we have added. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. Now by clicking on this plus icon over here, I'm going to add an action step. As I want to send a notification on Slack, my next action step would be Slack. Let's click on this. And here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And you will find various action events over here. I'm simply going to select send channel message and it says send a message to your existing channel with link unfold support. Let's click on this. And after that, click on connect. And now to connect our Slack account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Slack. And here it is asking us to enter the token. And it says enter the token type as either user or bot. Know more about Slack tokens. Click here. Let's click this. And here you will find the difference between user or bot. But I'm simply going to enter bot. After that, click on save and then allow all the authentications. And we have successfully connected our Slack account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to select a channel and I have created a channel named as Facebook Leads in my Slack account. So I'm going to select my channel name. Let me search for my channel name, which is Facebook Leads. Let's select this. And now moving ahead, we have to enter a message. And it says specify text of the message to send. Check out the formatting help doc for advanced options. Let's click on this. So I'm going to enter my message as. So as you can see over here, I have entered the message which I want to send as a notification on Slack, informing my team about the new lead which I have received through Facebook lead ads. And the message says, "Hello team, we have received a new lead through Facebook lead ads. Here are the details, first name, last name, email. Please check, regards." Now I'm going to map all these details over here. The first name is Smart, last name is User, and the email address is this. After that, image URL, image text, bot name, bot icon is not required, so I'm leaving this empty over here. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we have received the positive response. This is the message which I want to send to my team. Now let's go to our Slack account and check whether we have sent a notification or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully sent a channel message to our team informing about the new lead received through Facebook lead ads. And the message says, "Hello team, we have received a new lead through Facebook lead ads. Here are the details. First name is Smart, last name is User, email address is this. Please check, regards." Which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Slack account. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. As we have successfully set up our trigger and action application and it was a successful workflow, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is Salesforce and my action event is create lead. My another action application is Slack, and here my action event is send channel message. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.